Alright, finally.
Here it is. Swear to God. All right, here we go. God damn.
Oh, wow.
This thing's fucking massive.
Going up?
How's the COP? Original. Oh, that's why. Somebody pressed all the buttons.
Cabinet's open. Cabinet's wide open. And I just locked it.
We're going up. This is up. Nice fucking try. Whee.
Whoa. So just black in here.
Fuck, turn it back on.
What floor?
Alright, close it. Is there a way to like cancel the calls?
Going
Going
down?
down? Going down.
Going down?
Yes.
Someone took the one button out. What else?
One.
Am I gonna reach? Yes, I am. Don't think that was safe. I didn't die, so we're all good. I swear we aren't the ones who pushed all the buttons either.
No, you're fine.
Have a good one.
This is 6 going down.
Hey, babe, how are you doing?
What's going on here? You gotta work an elevator?
Upstairs, she better have it. Sorry. Yeah. Thanks.
It's got the arrow in it. Oh, wow. That felt good.
Wow.
Wow, that's is.
You know.
Rod's rough. It's in rough shape.
Wait, are we gonna get off at 1 and leave?
I stayed 2 days.
Wow, this thing is cheap.
Figure out of the way, Sam.
Oh, oh, this thing's fun. It's like a roller coaster.
This is 4.
Uh-oh.
Going down?
Oh, okay, that's right.
You're doing fine.
Holy cow, this thing is...
No wonder this thing is gonna.
I'm surprised this thing
Oh,
has
wow.
Jesus Christ.
Focus camera.
I'm not the one that pushed all the buttons.
Let's just do it.
This thing is
Scary.
No one now.
it's like a thrill ride.
Imagine getting stuck in it.
I don't want yeah, no thanks.
It happened.
It's the fun part. Yeah, that's the fun part.
Yeah. I mean those ones sound like a freight train, like
Yeah. Welcome to Bloomingdale.
yeah, yeah.
Alright, can we
You
get
guys
off
out here?
Can I get off here?
No.
No, let's stay on though. Let's go
Ooh, it's bouncing.
Let's go, Jay. Alright.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
Alright, good luck.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Have a
Good
nice
luck
day.
if we don't get stuck.
I hope I don't.
It'll just be the last 1 hour.
Holy shit, that thing.